Yeah, so the next thing is your gear. Gear is very important. You have to have the right gear. If you do not have the right gear, or then you at least need to be able to improvise, but you do need gear to survive. There's always the basic stuff that you need to have. That would be food, water, shelter, means to make fire. That is your basics. If you've got those four things covered, you can actually carry on from there. But those are definitely the things that you need to start off with and that you have. There's also another 9 in total, 9 categories that we're going to cover on as we carry on, but this is the ones that I want to emphasize, that you always have to look at, and that is your ability to have a shelter, your ability to have food or to get food, to have water or to be able to clear or purify water, and then the ability to make fire. If I have to choose one of these things that's critical to me, it is the ability to start a fire or to have a fire, because if you've got a fire, you are able to prepare food, you are able to purify water by cooking it, and you're also able to help yourself in a shelter situation where you can actually heat up your shelter. And that also covers a lot of other things, signal, medical, boiling water for medical purposes, signaling like I mentioned, and security. So being able to start a fire is definitely one of the skills that you need and that you must master and must have, or the abilities that you must have to do in order to survive.